Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Bumble app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on profile down here. So when you click here on profile, it's going to take you to your profile like you see now. You go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. So then you come here to ignite here mod for that, click in this sign. So then you click here or turn on incognito here, just click on it. And here, so before that you have to get premium. If you want to add here lifetime or 6 months, just click on get lifetime here, or 6 months or 3 months. So you select your here you select your so premium. Then when you get it, it's going to enable with you here automatically here incognito mode for that. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,